In this video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Gatekeeper on your Mac M1. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a Mac M1 or any other model, you can easily disable Gatekeeper. The primary reason on why people want to do this is so they can install applications from sources besides the App Store and identify developers, because that option is locked by default. So to do this, you will have to use a terminal. So open a new terminal window, look for terminal, and open it up. In here, you have to type out this exact command. So copy this as is, sudo space scspctl space global disable. So type out this exact command. I'm going to leave it on the screen if you would like to note it down. Sudo space spctl space global disable. Once you type out this exact command and you press enter, it is going to ask you for your password. So input it here. And once you have confirmed your identity, it is going to be disabled right away. So now if you go into the security and privacy options and you look under allow apps downloaded from, you will notice that it changed from either App Store and identify developers to anywhere. So now you can download applications from any source, not only Apple verified ones. It is simple to do and it is going to work for any Mac model, including M1, but also macOS Sequoia, for example. Now, it is going to be selected by default. And as you can imagine, if you change disable to enable, it is going to have the opposite effect. So by replacing the entire command, or rather this part of the entire command with enable, it is going to have the opposite effect and it is going to be changed back into App Store or App Store and identified developers. So choose whichever one you prefer. You can always change these whenever you want. Thank you for watching. Something that I want to note before I end this video is that when I checked the channel metrics, I saw that 83% of you are not subscribed. If you subscribe to our channel, you can help us achieve the best solutions for your problems. So consider subscribing and we can keep making high quality videos for you. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.